on the coffee machine? I'm ready to go.
I thought someone was playing a prank. It sounded like Rod a little bit.
What's in the coffee machine?
I thought someone was playing a prank. It sounded like Rod a little bit.
What's in the coffee machine?
So we've pressed the power button, we've checked the water, we've noticed this might need to be changed soon. So we've pressed the power button, we've checked the water, we've noticed this might need to be changed soon. But I don't want to use that milk, because that's, if you heat that up again, you're going to burn it.
Oh, I'll tell you, it's voice. It gives you voice warnings when it's got problems. Okay. So
Where is the water tank?
water's down the side, coffee's down the back.
How do I fill the water up?
Yeah. That's the warning. That's telling me it needs to change.
No, that was him.
No, it's from this machine, mate. It tells you when it's low. Hear what it said?
It sounded like to me it was coming from out there.
No, it's definitely a machine.
It's so clean.
There's loads of water.
Look at that.
I just said that feels better. This is such a cool machine.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. I think it's a. What?
What?
Machines are so clever now.
Where's the speaker coming from though?
It's in the fucking thing.
I thought someone was playing a prank. It sounded like Rod a little bit.
What's in the coffee machine? It's alright then. Well, this machine, no kidding, it was just telling us that something about milk curdling. What else did it say?
Some other shit. Just like a. Ladies, that feels better.
You guys are on drugs, man. I tell you.
No, listen, swear to God. Well, anyway, it looks like we're ready to go.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Yeah, so what do you want? What sort of coffee do you want?
Just the same one you.
Alright,
Same.
so anyway, you just put the coffee there,
Yeah.
lower that,
Yeah.
and just press that button. And that's it. It knows!
What the fuck?
It just said you guys have got a lot of coffee!
Are you serious?
Because it knows we've just pressed the large one. Did you hear that?
Serious?
Did you hear that?
I did. And this wasn't doing this
I
yesterday.
can't believe it.
Rod thinks we're spacing out.
You heard this shit? That's what you get for $900.
I'll stick to my tooth.
Okay, probably wise.
Wow, a lot of coffee. Pretty tired.
I think when now they're picking out of this form and see this, they're gonna lose their shit. How does he know you're putting milk in there?
So press the milk button.
Oh.
Can you hear that?
If you say your name, I can recognise your cup.
You do.
Ryan.
I think you got to do it so many times. Maybe you got.
What am I doing?
You say your name.
Ryan. My name is Ryan.
This, you're going to think we've gone mad. This is not voice recognition, and we've just been trying. If we say our names. Ryan, how do you feel, mate?
Nice to do that.
It's not really voice recognition. Can I show you something? Can I show you
fuck off.
Look out, Ryan. I'm right behind you.
My name is Ryan. What's your name?
Oh, that's so bad.